Welcome to Sweet Bonanza CandyLand, the colorful live casino game inspired by Pragmatic Play's hit slot Sweet Bonanza. If you love bright visuals, fast-paced action, and big multiplier potential, this is the casino game show for you. A giant wheel with 54 sections is spun each round by a live host, and your goal is simple: predict where the flapper will land. You'll have around 13 seconds to place your bets before every spin, and you can choose to play or sit out whenever you like. Most of the wheel is made up of numbered sections. There are 23 segments paying 1 to 1, 15 segments paying 2 to 1, and 7 segments paying 5 to 1. But the real excitement comes from the 9 special bonus sections. Sugar Bomb adds a random multiplier from 2x to 10x to all numbers on the next spin. And with the optional boost that can go up to 20x, Bubble Surprise is a vertical reel that can award instant multipliers like 5x, 10x, or 25x, or even trigger a bonus round. Then there's Candy Drop, where you choose a candy and follow it through a maze, collecting multipliers up to 1000x. And finally, Sweet Spins, a 6x5 slot bonus with tumbling reels and the biggest win potential in the game. The top payout can reach an incredible 20,000x, with maximum winnings capped at 500,000 euros. With an RTP of 96.95% and stakes ranging from 20 cents to 3,000 euros, it's accessible for new players while still offering serious win potential. A balanced betting approach is to cover the number one along with the bonus features, giving you frequent action and access to the high-paying rounds. That's Sweet Bonanza CandyLand. Simple to play, packed with bonuses and full of sugary surprises. But big wins aren't just about chance, they're also about strategy. With CasinoScores, you're betting smarter with real stats and data-driven insights.